Welcome to JurisTales, where ancient Latin meets modern law. Let's start our journey today. If you like this channel, please thumb up and recommend to your friends.
In the heart of Enlightenment Europe, a philosophical battle was being waged. It was a time when shadows of arbitrary rule darkened the lands, where the whims of the powerful determined the fate of the less fortunate. Against this, the principle of nullum crimen sine lege, nulla poena sine lege emerged like a beacon of justice and rationality. Voltaire, with his sharp wit and penetrating insight, was among the champions of this principle. He, along with Montesquieu and their fellow philosophers, understood the dangers of punitive measures meted out based on nothing but caprice. They envisioned a society where no crime could exist without a lawful declaration, and no punishment could be administered without a clear legislative foundation. This was not merely a reaction to the capricious punishments of the past, but a profound restructuring of societal norms. The seeds of change had been sown in 18th century France and Prussia, where the echoes of this maxim began to take root in reformist agendas. As discussions turned into decrees, and decrees into written codes, the landscape of criminal law started to evolve. It was during this period that the Napoleonic Code, a monumental legal document, was drafted, embedding the principle firmly within its articles. By the time the 20th century unfurled its complex weave of history, the principle had found its way into numerous national constitutions and international human rights documents. The European Convention on Human Rights, for instance, enshrined this tenet, ensuring that vague laws could not wield power unchecked and that retroactive criminalization would not go unchallenged. In this tale of legislation, imagination, and humanity, the courts became the contemporary guardians of the principle. Whether it was uprooting ambiguous statutes or nullifying laws applied retroactively, the legal system stood as a bastion against governmental overreach. Today, the maxim of nullum crimen sine lege, nulla poena sine lege is more than a historical footnote. It is a living, breathing promise of predictability and fairness in the application of justice, a testament to the enduring struggle for legal clarity and the protection of individual freedoms.